Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today I'm taking you on an incredible journey to our cosmic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Buckle up because this is going to be an interstellar ride. First off, Andromeda, also known as M31, is the closest spiral galaxy to our Milky Way, just a mere 2.537 million light-years away. I know it sounds far, but in the grand scale of the universe, it's practically next door. Now you might be wondering, what does Andromeda look like? Imagine a galaxy that's larger than the Milky Way with about 1 trillion stars. That's right, 1 trillion! It's like looking at a cosmic cityscape filled with stars, dust, and dark matter. Interestingly, Andromeda is on a collision course with the Milky Way. Yep, you heard that right. But don't worry, it's not happening anytime soon. In about 4.5 billion years, these two giants will merge to form a new galaxy, possibly called Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. How cool is that? Let's talk about its structure. Andromeda has a well-defined spiral structure with two prominent arms, full of star-forming regions and nebulae. It's also home to a supermassive black hole at its center, just like our Milky Way. This black hole has the mass of about 140 million suns. Now that's a heavy weight. But how do we study Andromeda? Astronomers use various methods like telescopes that capture visible light, X-rays, and even radio waves. The Hubble Space Telescope has provided some breathtaking images and invaluable data, helping us understand more about this celestial neighbor. Andromeda has even inspired mythology and stories throughout history. Named after a princess in Greek mythology, it's been a part of our cultural tapestry for centuries. There's something truly magical about looking up at the night sky and knowing that this galaxy has been a source of wonder for so many generations. So why should you care about Andromeda? Well, it gives us a glimpse into the future of our own galaxy. Studying Andromeda helps scientists learn more about galaxy formation, evolution, and the mysterious dark matter that makes up a significant portion of the universe. Alright folks, that's our quick journey to the Andromeda Galaxy. Remember, every time you look up at the night sky, you're looking at a universe filled with wonders waiting to be discovered. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never lose that sense of cosmic curiosity. If you enjoyed this journey and want more space adventures, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.